Hi my friends, welcome back to Bay's Kitchen. Today we are making blueberry jam. With only 10 grams of sugar per 100 grams of jam. Start with 200 grams of blueberries in the air fryer. Air fry at 180 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. While that's cooking, squeeze half a lemon. Add the juice and 20 grams of brown sugar. Use the spatula to mix everything. Gently mash only half of the blueberries, leaving the rest whole for a chunky texture. Air fry at 180 degrees centigrade for another 10 minutes. You will see the blueberries start bubbling. Let's watch the last 10 seconds together. See how easy that was? Give it a try. Thanks for cooking with me today. See you next time in Bay's Kitchen.